Have a chiller at the house, we'll have to get that on, but what we do need is a good filter. And I know just the filter, they have it. I've tried every filter in the dang book, fellas. I'm talking Marineland, I'm talking Tetra. I've tried them all.
Calling them out.
Calling them out. They're all dog water. Like absolutely horrible. Listen, this is coming from someone that's had many tanks.
Is that because they don't pay you?
They are not a sponsor, no. They're not a sponsor. I don't even have a filter sponsor. That's how you know this is real. Real talk. Listen, they all work, right? But some of them don't last, to be real with you, as long as others. This right here, and this is not a promo, again, has been the best filters I've ever used. This is for up to 90 gallons. We don't need that. We'll probably do, we're gonna overfiltrate it a little bit, so maybe we do let's do a 30. These are so sick, bro. Most definitely the filter to get right here. So we got a filter, which we need.
Are you losing? You ain't got a garbage beat, nigga. Thank you.